soda, potash and lime, melting at 1000 degrees Celsius. This is the reason why they work by using special tools made of iron, two parts soldered together in a way they can work without injuring their hands. To get the color to the glass, mineral oxides are mixed with the raw material at the moment that they melt it.
Oh my god! Amazing!
There's no school where you can learn this. It is a tradition of the family. So that father teaches to the son. They take roughly 10 years to become a glass master, and after that time, and they choose the branch of the production they want to do. Perfect.
Isn't that? Oh, tail is also perfect. Tail is also that. Can we see it another one more again?
Once the work is finished, the glass has to be cooled down in a special oven. Can't stay to the normal temperature, otherwise breaks for the change.
Excellent.
So that has to be placed in a cooling oven. Now, at this moment, the temperature is about 700 degrees.
Oh my God.
Va bene. Grazie, thanks maestro. Now follow me please, we're going to show you our production.
Very good work.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sorry, the showroom.